The problem?
I saw a woman come running out of his house. He and this other guy were trying to get her, but she got away.
It is nothing, officer. That other guy is our home health aide, Carson. My wife is bipolar. She's having a paranoid episode. We're trying to help her.
That is not what it looked like.
You need to mind your own business.
Sir, what's your name?
Daniel Charles. My wife is Linda. This is all getting out of hand. My wife needs her meds, not the police. So you can leave.
Actually, I can't. Which way did she go?
She ran through the neighbor's yard.
Control, I need units circulating on the lookout for a missing and endangered female named Linda Charles, last seen wearing...
Firefly. After helping police during a bank robbery...
Gray sweatshirt, white pants.
Thank you. Gray sweatshirt, white pants, last seen northbound on Glen Grove.
Officer, please. Carson and I should handle this. My wife is not well. You're going to scare her. Make things 10 times worse.
Sorry, sir, that's no longer an option. I'm going to need to see some ID from you and your aide, and then I'm going to go find your wife.
The show's emotional